let's give it a bash.
Did you drive the car?
You drove it? That's my boy. Keep going. A bit more. Oh shit. Is this because you weren't watching? Wow! God. You helping me? Hello guys, just a random video today. I'm going to go out to a little classic car meet down in Bletchley. As soon as I've got some free time, the missus and the boy have gone out. I'm just putting on 2 pairs of socks. Oh, I'm going to take the hot rod out. I haven't been out in it for a little while. Oh, right. I'm just going to get some warm stuff on, put another coat on. I'll get back to you in a second. Let me show you. Right. All made from old gas fittings. And this is my fuel gauge. So we just drop that in, touch the bottom. Oh, what's that? Well, it's over 1/4 of a tank. Get us there and back. Let's chuck this back on. Right, let's get in the car. Right, we're in the car now. It's got a hidden kill switch. We won't show you where that is, but the starter's here. We got the fake key there. Come on. There we go. It's straight pipe. It is quite loud. It's got no choke on it. It's nothing. The choke's not hooked up, so we'll have to let it warm up for a sec. Right, I'll let it do its thing for a minute, and we'll be on our way. Ugh, what is that? Hi, Thea.
What are you doing here?
I'm filming a YouTube video. Say hello. You alright? You alright?
Pull up.
Give me 2 secs and I'll walk round. God, That is a pretty car. As you can tell, I've turned up too late, everyone's leaving. Some flash motors here. Well, we're on our way home now. I turned up a bit too late for the meet. Most of the cars had left and they were leaving as I was there. Currently stuck in traffic. When I get home, I'll do a walk around of the car, show you guys what it's all about, what it's got, etc. For those of you that are interested. Get back to you in a second. Alright guys, we've made it home. This is the car. I'll tell you a quick little bit about it. So the brakes are absolutely shit. It's still got asbestos brake shoes in the front. Drop axle. It's about a 4 or 5 inch drop on the front. See where it's bent up there? Usually that would have been just like a gradual curve. It's bent up, just drop the front down lower. I've recently dropped the headlights right down lower as well, just because I think they look better, and you can see the exhausts. So the exhaust I made for Race the Waves this way, just so it's louder, but I've sort of left them on. I'm getting away with driving it on the road like that, so until I get told not to drive it, I'm going to keep driving it. Here's all my scrutineering passes for the last 3 years, Race the Waves, and we'll be racing again next year. It's September next year, so plenty of time to do some more work to the car, make it faster. So in it currently is a 3.5 Rover, small block Chevy rocker covers, Offenhausen manifold, Holly carburetor. It's got a 3-speed Bog Warner gearbox in there, so it's automatic. You can hold it in gear, and it actually drives quite well. I think I think 3/4 of the chassis is Model A. It is all chopped about, made from crap, pretty much. It's got the wide 5 hubs on the front, which I love the look of. I think they're ace. They're very cool. Crossply tyres, which look cool. The Firestone pie crusts. They look cool, but that's about as much as they do. They're crap. They are good, because the amount of burnouts and stuff I've done on these, and there's still loads of tread on them. They're really good. So I've done this before the race this year as well. I borrowed a tyre cutter, cut some grooves in there. I don't think it's made the car any quicker off the line, but it does throw more sand up going by videos this year, which looks cool. It's got a World War II aircraft theme. So it's named after a World War II bomber, flak bait, flew over 100 successful missions. And I think the fuselage of the aeroplane is actually in a museum now, which is quite cool. So that's what I've done, copied the paint job. I've done it so it looks like an old aeroplane, looks like the paint's worn out as it's going back. So it sort of looks like it's going fast sitting still. Inside, Model T steering wheel. Again, carrying on with the aircraft theme. Got some aircraft dials and stuff in there. World War II German stick grenade. No, it's not real. Load of bullets and stuff, etc. everywhere. That's the back end of it. I've got the teardrop lights. They're not that bright. I don't really drive it at night. It has got coilovers in the back. They're all adjustable. It does ride all right. Actually quite good. For drag racing, etc. and stuff like that, you can sort of dial them in. They're quite good, but you just can't beat the look of a transverse leaf spring. I have got one, so I'm going to weld up a mount at the top and on these eyes here, so I can swap it in and out when I please, so I can change it over if I want to. Roll bar I made that a long time ago. Is a bit pointless because I don't actually have any seat belts in there anyway, so if you do turn over, you're going to come out of the car. Inside the boot, again carrying on with the World War II theme. That's an oxygen tank out of a B-17 bomber aeroplane, and just some gas fittings I've welded on. That's really cool, works well. Battery sitting over the back, it's just ratchet strapped down. Good enough for scrutineering that passes, and then obviously roll bar comes down. It's actually welded to the chassis, so it's all welded in, done properly. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a nice simple car. Scares the shit out of me every time I take it out, which is the whole point. I love driving it around. It's so loud. Yeah, I will never grow up. I just love it. Well, anyway, I'll finish the video off here. That's just another day in the life of Dan. Little quick car meet this morning. Well, it was nice just to get out anyway, a bit of fresh air. Catch you on the next one, guys.